no stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked.
So these are the bags I got from Curlfest. Y'all, the strap broke because I had so much in here. Hello. So again, today's a Curlfest video. Yes, I was supposed to have it out a while ago, but we here now. So I did the VIP ticket. So we also got a gift bag. I'm going to show you what's in the gift bag. This one, let's start with. This is the gift bag. This is Curlfest. And this was all the stuff that came in. So this is I Don't Want No Tugs, the Tangler brush. It's green from Pardon My Fro. And this is how it looks. It's the back. Cute detangler brush. This is a Sonora Rosada gel from Miss Jessie's. Full-size product. This is a Kiss Colors and Care braiding gel. Full-size again. This is the Sienna Naturals Damage Repair and Strengthening Mask. Wakati Moisture for Finger Detangling. That's how it looks. And this is an edge brush from Kiss, again, 4-in-1. This is Afro Love Wash and Love Cleansing Cream. This is a leave-in conditioning curl cream by the hair company Red. It's kind of heavy. This is a All About Curls High Definition Gel from Zolo's Professional. This is a Mango and Tulsi Nourishing Instant 3-in-1 Serum from Mayel. Got this Eden Leave-In Conditioner Coconut and Shea. Another full-size product. And got this Rucker Roots Shape Defining Sculpt Gel. Another full-size product. Lotion. 2 sample products. Mayel sample product from their new line. This is the Avocado and Tamanu line. This is the Avocado Tamanu Leave-In Conditioner. This is the regular conditioner. This is the shampoo. All of these say anti-frizz. This is the Stay Straight Serum. It says to refrigerate to activate cold application technology. So it says to refrigerate this. And this is the Curl Perfector. It also says to refrigerate this. And apply cold before styling. That was it for the gift bag.